install the tension lock mounting straps onto your D28, first disconnect the side release buckle at the center of each strap. Pass the side release buckle under the daisy chain on the side of the D28. Reconnect the buckles at the center of the bag. The tension lock will remain on the outer side of the daisy chain. This enables the straps to stay in place on the bag when it is not mounted. To mount the D28, pass the end of the tension lock straps under your desired mounting point. Then feed the strap end into the tension lock buckle. Pass it over the middle bar and exit the buckle the same place you came in. To remove the bag, release the strap ends from each of the 4 tension lock buckles so the bag and straps will lift away together.